Hey yo, welcome back to another episode of My Hood Garden, and we're going on another field trip to Home Depot, right? So when I get there, as always, I take a look at the plants that's outside. I think I am going to purchase one of those Meyer lemon plants. I was really admiring these little mini shrubs. They were colorful. I thought those were interesting. I just find it funny that every time I pull up on Home Depot, it's like the plants be deprived of water, but I don't know if I should feel some type of way about that, or it's just the cost of doing business when you're dealing with a large supplier. I don't know. I'm thinking about purchasing some plants, but the issue that I'm having or I'm finding out is that my seeds that I plant do a lot better than the plants that I buy. They do a whole lot better. I came to get some fertilizer because my fertilizer keep getting towed up, right? So I end up getting a different kind versus the one that I usually get. Instead of this one, I got something else. I don't know how I really like it. I feel like I should have stayed, now that some time has passed, I feel like I should have probably stayed with my original one. I want some elephant ears. I think I may get that next time. I want a large elephant ear plant. Or what do y'all think? Should I grow it from seeds or what? What else? This greenery is something that I'm really, really liking and I'm really interested in. But I really just want to follow in my mama's footsteps and get those elephant ears because I seen some purple ones that I thought was neat. I'm going back to the seed section because I'm looking for mint. Now, I did order some mint off of Amazon, but every time I go into Home Depot, right, I cannot find any mint. I can't find mint seeds anywhere. I did want to grow some sunflowers, so I did get some sunflower seeds. I got some perlite. I wanted to try those. It's been a while, y'all. I can't remember what else I got from here. But I'm going to the self-checkout. I stopped in front of the fans because the temperature was in triple digits this particular day. I might get one of those fans, though. I ain't gonna even hold you. Come on, girl. Get to the dang on thing. Okay, here we go. So this is me checking out at the self-checkout. I like it. I press the mute because if my card declined, I don't need everybody in the world to know. I'm headed home. It was a good field trip. Y'all continue to follow me on all social media at Plush Pound Tory.